Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Google Maps reviews, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you write a review on Google Maps? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to know how to write a review on Google Maps? Well, that's pretty easy. If you run a small business, you know that reviews on Google Maps can make or break your business. So you need to be able to describe the process to your customers, because the more reviews you get on Google Maps, the better chances of your business thriving. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process, and you can actually do this through the Google Maps app. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my Google Maps now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Google Maps. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to write a review on Google Maps, first you have to find the company. So you can go ahead and have your client type in the name of your company and then the name of the city, and then your business should pop up. Or if they want, they can actually just go ahead and zoom in to your business. And then once they see your business, they can go ahead and just click on it. For example, this one right here. Okay, so here is the name of this restaurant. It's Mambo's Dominican Kitchen. So this is the name of the company. And then in order to leave a review for someone on Google Maps, you want to have your clients just kind of scroll up a little bit, and then you're going to see this 5 different options right here. And what they want to do is go ahead and click on reviews. Okay, so this is where your client can check the reviews on your company just by kind of scrolling through. But if they want to leave a review for your small business, you want to click on this blue button, rate and review. Okay, so here is where they can leave a review on Google Maps for you. So these 3 options right now, these are optional, but they do need to choose 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 stars. So let them know 5 stars is going to be the best option. 1 is if there's a problem with your service. And then here they can go ahead and rate your service based off these 3 categories. So these 3 categories are going to change depending on what type of company you are. So this is obviously a restaurant. So the food, we'll just do 5, 5, and 5, because this is actually a pretty good restaurant. And then here, what you want to do is go ahead and ask your client to go ahead and fill out this form, because just by leaving you 5 stars, it is definitely helpful for your small business. But if they can leave a review with their experience, it's going to help the conversions when other clients are looking at your company if they want to use your service. So for example, this one right here is a Dominican restaurant. So if your client can go ahead and put in, this is the best Dominican restaurant in Phoenix, or hometown Dominican food. So each time they type in those specific keywords that might relate to your type of restaurant, you're going to get a better chance of showing up on Google Maps search, because those keywords are what other clients are going to be looking for when they're looking for your business. Now, this is for a restaurant. Now, if you're running, let's say, a contractor company or a kitchen remodel company, your clients can go ahead and write in something like cheap kitchen remodel company or best kitchen remodel company in Phoenix. Obviously, they don't want to put anything that's not correct, but they want to have a good explanation of the services that they had with your company, and just let them know that that's going to help your business show up in Google search. Now, down here, you're going to have different categories where your client can go ahead and fill these out. Again, the more information that they put into the review, the better chances of that's going to push you up into the Google Maps search. So let's go ahead and I'll fill this out. I went here for lunch, and I think it was about $10 to $20 a person. These ones I'm not going to fill out. So that is pretty much a complete review on Google Maps. So now we're ready to go ahead and post this. So we'll go ahead and click on post. Okay, so now my review has been posted on Google Maps for that particular restaurant. So that's going to go public immediately. So that way, when anyone is searching on Google Maps for that particular small business, they're going to be able to read through my review on what I think of that restaurant, and then also the stars that I had placed for them. So again, if you are running a service-based company or a small business, that is a quick tutorial on how you can go ahead and ask your clients to write a review for your business on Google Maps. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.